Okay, well, Julio and I are going to tell you about the impeller fan in the Bullet and why you're going to be receiving an extra impeller fan. So first thing is, let's just access it, which is just pulling this back here and opening up the chaff container, and here's your impeller fan. So what happened is Bullet is sort of being very thoughtful about this. What they did was they manufactured a fan where the tolerance on this hole right here is a little too tight. It fits on the shaft a little bit too tight. And they're afraid that if you use this too much and it gets sort of gunked up a little and you go to do some maintenance and clean it, you're going to have trouble removing the impeller fan. So what they did is they supplied us an extra impeller fan with a slightly bigger bore hole here in the center. So the fact is, the fan that's in here is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it, and you can roast on it. But it's just kind of foresight to change out the fan so that in the future, if you need to remove it, it's going to be easier to do. So Julio's going to just show you how easy it is to change out the impeller with the included Bullet toolkit.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. You start with a 2-2 hex, and then
Yeah, so it's a number 2 hex head that's included there. It's the smallest one.
you're going to see that your fan has a hole. That's where you're going to go with your screw.
So you access the set screw,
Yep.
which is in the side of the here, which is holding the impeller fan on the shaft.
Just loosen it a little bit.
Yeah, so you don't have to take out the set screw, right?
No, no.
Just loosen it slightly. The original fan here also can kind of contact the frame here a little bit, so you kind of have to work it out a little bit.
Pull it down
and
a little bit.
Pull it down. There you go. And then I think Julio was pointing out that you'll see that this fan goes in much better than the one that's installed in the roaster comes out. So that's the reason they did it, is just to make it easier.
Yeah, it goes more easy and comes out easier.
And you might want to, Byron was saying, you might want to mark this and make sure that you don't get confused which is which. But I would keep it around, and I really think you can actually turn this into an excellent spare fan by just drilling this out a little bit.
So put the new one back, you just go here, and then you make sure you have alignment, and then you find your hole right here.
Okay, does it get pushed in all the way against the back, or
No,
does it go in the center?
In the center.
Okay,
Yeah, make sure it's
so in the center of the space here, the fan, don't push it all the way back against the motor. Put it in the center of the space.
Just tie it. Good to go.